My name is Dr Linde Kampers and I am an expert in tumor immunity. In this animation, we will briefly explain what happens during individualized multimodal immunotherapy, a treatment option against all solid and brain tumors. Rather than a simple clump of dividing cells, tumors function like a complex organ, its cells working together. Tumors have abnormal proteins on their surface called antigens that should trigger an immune attack. However, the body is taught not to attack itself, exactly what a tumor is made of. The tumor also tampers with its healthy surroundings to avoid detection and treatment. Treatment must match the tumor complexity. First, the tumor is reduced through surgery if possible and radiochemotherapy. If left untreated, the tumor will grow back. So, secondly, the immune system must be activated to clean up leftover tumor cells. This is called immunotherapy. Through modulated electrohyperthermia, magnetic heat waves are sent through the tumor. As tumor cells are more active than normal cells, they are more prone to heat stress and selectively die. Newcastle disease virus exclusively targets tumor cells who lost their defense system against the virus and kill them from the inside out. Killing tumor cells in these ways releases tumor antigens in the blood. These antigens can be used to train immune cells in the lab. Using your own antigens and your own immune cells is called individualized therapy. However, the tumor can block the activated immune system. So, thirdly, modulatory immunotherapy is used to maintain immunity by specifically covering the tumor block receptors with checkpoint inhibitors, so that the immune system can do its job. By timing standard therapies and immunotherapies in phases, the tumor keeps being attacked in new ways it cannot escape. Individualized multimodal immunotherapy against solid and brain tumors. Reduce tumor, stimulate immunity, maintain control.